Salutations, y'all! Welcome back to the Righteous Nerd, and today is DevLog 3. Already at 3. Um, as you guys can see, the main prototype level, looks remarkably different, and that's because it is. This level is now somewhere between 2 to 3 times larger than it was originally. I designed a fair bit, and then I just didn't like how small it was, so I scrapped a lot of it and then made the map bigger. And now we got this octagon bar thing, which I actually quite like, and a handful of tables all around the area. So this is going to be the new, well, bar floor for this nightclub level that I'm designing. Um, and what else was it? But yeah, this is the new general size and scope of the level itself. Now, as to the other element, the gameplay mechanics that I wanted to show you guys, that's not possible at the moment. And I will show you quickly why here, once it loads. So, that blue dot over there is the main player, who seems to be the only thing actually, well, the angel prefab here seems to be the only one wanting to respond properly to movement controls. Everything wants to respond to jump. Okay, I just am now noticing that there's a general difference in how things are moving. But yeah, this weird bug, whatever this is, makes it very difficult to showcase any kind of gameplay mechanics. So yeah, there was another really whack bug that I had to fix earlier, where it literally was just taking, I believe it was the player prefab and the main body prefab on the spirit world side, this translucent blue cylinder here. It was connecting them both and then just throwing them off the map. And it's because I forgot that with this movement design that I designed, you need 2 maps, and I had 1. I forgot how I designed the dot local transformation particle stuff, or not particle stuff, the dot local transformation mechanics to work for mirroring movement on both maps, essentially. So that error has thankfully been resolved, but this new one, it needs to be fixed first before I can show any type of gameplay. So I can't show off anything. I've not designed anything. This came about when implementing Angel's Eye, though, so that I'm in progress with working stuff. It's just other things are making it difficult to do anything other than fix bugs right now. So I don't have much else to show other than our human's angelic partner, Agonel. This is not the final name. I honestly needed a name, and Agonel is the best I could come up with. This is a name that's actually a mix of Latin and Hebrew, and it roughly translates to Angels of God. I did some research online. Another name that Google said that it could also translate to is Divine Operative, which was kind of cool. Age, old. He witnessed creation, Genesis 1. Biblically speaking, this is actually accurate. Occupation, he serves the Lord, guys. That is the angels are hyper obedient towards the Lord. Specialization, demonic eradication. This is essentially going to be what his gameplay loop is going to be based on, is demonic eradication. Protecting our human hero, Elijah, from demons. Powers, wields divine light of heaven. Yes, again, this is just what his mechanics will be based around. A description, greater than man and demon, servant to God. Pretty straightforward there. His background, though, has guided and protected man since the first sin. So, as angels have done, he's always been perplexed by the man's eagerness to make things and the lack of obedience to God, the nature of man. And Elijah is the most perplexing human of all time. This is more from his perspective, that Elijah is a very perplexing person, being that he's a scientist and inventor and all that. With everything that has happened over the course of history, he now eagerly awaits to deal with Star Legion. So that's his general background at the moment. Agana, like I said, I don't know if I'll keep that name. I kind of like it, but it was very kind of last minute making for the sake of uh, adding him into the video. So the other thing, obviously, at the moment is that God's Bounty Hunter, the basically the tech demo from week one of the devlog is still up to download. I have not obviously not yet pulled that, and obviously Linktree will be in the description for all platforms and all places to get updates for the game. So thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for devlog 4.